Hello, Billy the Artist here. Just with a quick update, we have now got SUGA done from BTS, and he will be going live tomorrow on the 19th of July. The full How to Draw lesson will be online, and then the day after will be the time lapse. And it's been great. We're now at the halfway point. SUGA is the halfway point of the How to Draw the BTS guys that I've had so many people over the last 18 months ask for. So anyway, it's been good fun. We've got this far. Before we go any further, please do like and subscribe. Tick the bell to be notified when new videos are made available and new lessons. And again, I have got months planned, and there's been lots going on, and I've got lots of plans for the future, so I'm really looking forward to developing more and more. But we have got still to do J-Hope, Jin and Jimin from BTS, and I'm going to get them done so that the entire band is complete. So that's good fun. I'm really pleased to be able to keep doing these and sharing these with you. Please do share them out and share them with the band, share them with the BTSArmy. That would be absolutely fantastic, because like I say, there are... Oh, here we go. So we've already done Jungkook and V, and they are looking pretty good. And V is the latest one that's gone live. That was really well received. And the same thing with RM. You know, this has been really good fun to actually do this work and share with you. But do please share the portraits playlist. Again, if you look in the cards, there's a link to the How to Draw Portraits playlist, because there's other people on there as well. Here's the full drawings of Ariana Grande and KSI, but on the portraits playlist there's lots of different characters, and it's just great to be able to teach you the basics, to show you how to develop all of those characters. And again, in the multi-image you can see lots of them actually in progress, those little snippets of the lesson actually going ahead. There is also the How to Draw Harry Potter playlist. Again, absolutely fantastic. I'll be getting back to doing some Harry Potter videos at some point in the future, and hopefully I will be doing some oil painting as well. But again, I'm looking forward to developing more and more how to draw lessons, and even absolute basics. Again, check out now How to Draw Anything, link in the cards and the description. Part 1 just teaches you the absolute basics of drawing using simple shapes, and I use that on these portrait lessons, and you see it from the very first pencil line, using a grid as well, right the way through to the finished article. Now again, I use these pencils. I've also used the trusty kitchen roll, but I've also used brushes for some of the shading on these guys, and again on Ariana Grande. And they just simple techniques, and you see me do it in real time, and I narrate as I go. So this one is about 3 hours long. The others are 3.5 to 4 hours long. Again, it's just good fun to show you and encourage you with your drawing. So again, thank you so much for all your support and encouragement. Enjoy your drawing, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be SUGA. Take care. Ta-da.